Pick the right order faster with sort and filter. Let's see how it works. Tap Orders. On the top, you will see All and a number next to it. That's every order in your boutique right now, whether it is still in progress or ready for delivery. Next is Not Started. These are the not started orders. Next, you will see all your processes: marking, embroidery, cutting, stitching, and finishing. Let's check out how these tabs make it easy to assign jobs to your worker. Now, let's learn how to assign jobs to a master. A master usually does marking and cutting. To pick marking work for master, tap on the Not Started tab. Here, orders are automatically arranged with the closest delivery dates first. To confirm the sort, you can tap on Sort. Perfect. You naturally pick the closer delivery date first. Tap on three dots. Tap Move to next stage. Confirm the pop-up. That's it. The orders now move from not started into marking. The master is ready to go. For cutting job, pick orders from marking or embroidery. If embroidery orders aren't done yet, keep your master busy by filtering orders that have no embroidery. Just open the marking tab, tap the filter icon and select without embroidery. With the filters applied, long press orders you want. Tap three dots and select Move to next stage. And once any embroidery job is finished, you can do the same from the embroidery tab to push them into cutting. To assign jobs to your handworkers, head to the marking tab. Apply filter and tap with embroidery. Just pick the top orders there and move them forward to the next job. To assign stitching jobs to tailors, head to the cutting tab. Simply take the top orders and move them forward to the next job. The final step is finishing. Pick top orders completed under stitching and move finishing. After the order is finished, move to ready for delivery. Check the ready tab anytime to see which orders are ready to be delivered. Notifying customers is too easy. Send them a WhatsApp right from here. And that's it. Remember, always to pick the top orders by default. This way, the ones that need to be delivered soon are handled first, keeping everything on track.